Why, hello everybody, welcome to my little video today. We are just playing around creating this super fun fiery look just using the, whoa, using the Coloured Raine Botanical eyeshadow palette. It is super new and super beautiful, so if you want to see how I created this, then stay tuned. So starting out, I have the Juvia's Place primer all over my eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and take this shade right here. I do not even want to butcher these names. If I'm awesome, I will include it right here, but I'm just gonna go ahead and take this with a Blend Bunny brush. This is just the B5. It's the largest brush out of this set, and I'm just gonna start working this in my natural crease. Okay, so once that is built up to how I like it, I'm just gonna take a Morphe M441, just any big kind of fluffy brush, just to start diffusing the color out. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and go back and forth with this shade, just building it up, blending it out until I get a nice kind of depth that I'm looking for. I went ahead and took the softer kind of creamy shade as well, just around the edges to keep the blending a little bit easier. I'm dipping in with our original brush, a little bit more of that, I'm gonna say orangey terracotta shade, and I'm actually kind of taking the brush itself, kind of wiping it off and using that just to go around the edges, so that we are not losing too much of the initial pigmentation that we have. I'm gonna go ahead and dip into this darker red shade with the Blend Bunny B4 brush, just applying that into the outer corners of the eye to create some nice depth and definition. I'm gonna go ahead and use our original brush, no additional product, just kind of stamping to get everything to merge together. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and apply NYX glitter glue to the lid and just go in with the two, so rose gold and this other lighter gold, just with the darker red kind of on the outside of the lid, moving it to the inner part of the eye. I went ahead and just took a little bit more of this deeper red shade throughout the crease just to keep it all kind of working together and cohesive, just using that smaller dense brush. And I'm going to go ahead and just go in with a makeup sponge and my foundation just to neaten up the edges of my eye. Alright, next I'm going to go ahead and just take the shade Hydrangea with the same B4 brush and just buff that under my eyes. I went ahead and took a little bit of that green into the inner part of the eyes as well. It is just absolutely beautiful. Let me go ahead and apply a liner and a mascara. And that is it. The look is complete using the Botanical Palette from Coloured Raine. Go ahead and give me a like and follow, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!